Today we'll show you how to write text bold in Excel. Okay, just follow these steps and don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching. This is tutorial for beginners. Okay, just now open your Excel like this and open now the blank workbook, and here choose what you have the but. Okay, just click okay. I choose A1 and here I will text like okay, a text. Okay guys, so this I want to it's a bold. Okay, the first, like select like this or like this and go to this is a B, this is a bold, or use Control B. Did you see Control B? Okay guys, just click and it is now it's a bold. Okay, you can change the text like this is like this, or or other like this guys, or like this. You can choose everything. Okay, so this is text bold and this is a text not a bold. Did you see? Okay, don't forget like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.